Hey, it's Mike with Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt. Today we have a question about what chemicals can be used on a roof of a boathouse. On the dock where there's a whole house and you drive your boat in, lift it up, etc. The short answer is nothing. Because of EPA regulations in the U.S. That are nationwide, you're really not supposed to use any type of chemical or allow any soaps or anything to run off of your docks, your house wash, etc. You need to keep that out of the freshwater and even saltwater estuaries and seas and oceans and so forth. So short answer is nothing. The best answer is to go check with your EPA people in your area, find out what you can and can't do. You might be able to just use water from whatever source you're at, which is the Dirt Killer is awesome for that. It's self-priming. You can just throw a hose in the dock and pull it up and get to work. But as far as chemical, that's definitely you want to check with the EPA. All right, if you have any more questions, leave a comment below. Be sure to join our new group, Wash Talk, over on Facebook, or use our forum and ask a question there, or contact us. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. My name's Mike with Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.